right, so all this dishing with Debbie stuff, that's fine and dandy until Thanksgiving Day. When it comes to the main event, Real Men Fried Turkeys, I'm in charge of the bird. All right, now preparation has already been done. Debbie likes to brine the bird the day before, and that's great. You can or can't do that. You can do injections if you want. All of that's fine. The secrets before you drop it in the hot oil are really twofold. Number one, get that bird as close to room temperature as you can. It can still have a chill on it. You just can't have it frozen. Do not put a frozen bird in 350 degree hot oil. It never works out right. Just consult YouTube if you don't believe me. And the other thing that you need to do in terms of preparation is to put some fat on the bird. That's right, fat. Now, a lot of people will use butter. I've used it before, but butter tends to char a little more than I like. I like to use good old-fashioned Duke's mayonnaise. Get your paper towel, dip it in the mayonnaise, and then just start slathering that bird. This is what gives you that golden brown color when the bird comes out of the fryer. You just get that fat, you get it good and coated. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. We'll keep doing this, and then we'll add some Cajun seasoning, and then we'll drop the bird in the oil, and 30 minutes later, we'll be good to go. As you can see, our bird has now been slathered in mayonnaise, got some Cajun seasoning all on it. It's in a wire basket, and you see that I'm wearing rubber gloves. I have what looks like a little coat hanger holding onto the wire basket. It is so important when you are playing with hot oil to protect yourself from the hot oil. Over here I have my turkey fryer. It has been preheated to 350 degrees. This is a 10-pound bird. I will put this bird in the oil. He got it bird good and sizzle here. Oh yeah. We'll shut the lid. About 30 minutes from now, it's a 10-pound bird, so 3.5 minutes a pound. I'll start checking the temperature at 30 minutes, but we should be good to go and ready to eat after that. Been in for 30 minutes, and I think she's done. Oh, look at how pretty that bird is. We'll sit it here on the side. Very important that you then measure the internal temperature. No matter how good it looks on the outside, if it's not cooked on the inside, it's not done. Some things will tell you 160, some will tell you 165 to 170, whichever way you want to go, because when you pull it out, it's still going to cook a little bit while it's resting. Well, we're at 167, so I think we're good to go. The finished product. I'm not saying that I'm a turkey frying master or Jedi, but, well,